In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPad not connecting to Wi-Fi. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So you can do this on any iPad as well. But if you're not connected to Wi-Fi, that could be really annoying. So what we want to do is swipe down on the top right. Firstly, we want to just toggle on airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then go ahead and toggle off airplane mode again. That's going to reset your network and see if your Wi-Fi connects there. What you can also do is go over to your settings application, then go ahead and click Wi-Fi, and then where it has your Wi-Fi, what we want to do is press these three little dots. We want to forget the network, and then we want to reconnect to it like, brand new, and then see if that works, because that should definitely help as well. Once you go ahead and do that, you should be good to go. And if you want to, you can try a mobile hotspot to see if it's, not working from like your home data, or if it's just not working in general on your iPad. Because if it's not working in general with any connection, then you might have to contact Apple support. But the final thing I'd recommend doing is going over to general, scrolling down, going over to transfer or reset iPad, and then you're going to see reset as one of the options. Then you want to reset network settings, which should definitely help. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you don't know about yet.